Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In this video, I'm going to share some best buy from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. The products which I'll be recommending are the ones that I currently have, that I have used in the past. Anything that I have used, I'm going to recommend those products. So let's get started. So the first product recommendation that I have is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This is a very basic mascara. If you are looking for something for like everyday wear, this is okay. If you're looking for something that gives lot of volume and lengthening effect, then this is not for you. Okay, this is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is a washable variant, but the one which is on sale, I think that is a waterproof variant. But if you're looking for something very affordable and just for everyday wear, then it is good. The second product that I would recommend is the Maybelline Gel Liner. This is a good affordable gel liner. There's another product called In Color Gel Liner also, which is on sale. I had that as well, but that is not so waterproof, not so long lasting, and it smudges as well. Maybelline is the best affordable one if you're looking for a gel liner. Third product recommendation is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette. This is a good eyeshadow palette if you're looking for a high-end eyeshadow palette. This is the one which has a lot of color options. Fourth product that I would recommend is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Out of all the high-end and the drugstore liquid lipsticks, this is the formula that I love the most. The wand is like this, it's very small. It gives a very precise application. The formula is very creamy. It spreads easily. It's not drying. It's really moisturizing. I love this one. So this is the best product that I have under the recommendation. Fifth product recommendation is the Huda Beauty Bullet Matte Lipstick. It's a good high-end lipstick and it is very long lasting. So if you're looking for high-end one, then this is good. Next that I have is this Miss Claire Eyebrow Pencil. It has a spoolie on one end and this pencil on the other end which has to be sharpened. It's a good eyebrow pencil if you're looking for an affordable one. This is a good one to try. Next is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes Mascara. That is a good mascara as well. Okay, the next product recommendation is the Vega Eyelash Curler. Now, eyelash curler is something which I have, but I don't use. So buy this if you're going to use. You can buy any eyelash curler. It doesn't have to be like very expensive high-end ones. Next product is my favorite LA Girl concealer. As you can see, I've used a lot of it. This is a very good concealer. It has medium to buildable coverage. The only thing is the packaging is not so great. It has this brush tip applicator. I am not very big fan of because it spreads all over the place, and once you squeeze it out, it doesn't come out in the right quantity that you need. So I always have to take it at the back of my hand and then use it. But it's a very good concealer if you're looking for one. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, that one is good as well. That one is less pigmented than this, but that is again a very good product. It looks very natural. It does not crease on the eyes. You can use it all over the face as well, wherever you have pigmentation, and just put compact powder and go for that no foundation look. That is something which I do a lot of times. If you're looking for a concealer, these two concealers are good. Another product that I would recommend is the Wet n Wild makeup brushes. Wet n Wild brushes are of good quality. I have a lot of brushes from Wet n Wild. NYX makes very good lipsticks. Another lipstick that I saw which was on sale was NYX Powder Puff Lippy Cream. Those are good as well. Next is this Sugar I Told You So liquid liner. There are a lot of cheaper eyeliners available as well from different brands. You can get it for 200-250 range. If you're looking for a like very thin liner application, it has this very thin applicator which gives you a lot of control over the liner application. It gives a very nice thin line like this. Another favorite of mine is the Sugar Matte as Hell Lip Crayon. This is the best lip crayon in the market. The colors are very pigmented. It is very long lasting. It's very moisturizing. It does not dry out the lips. When you eat something, then it starts coming off from the side of the lips. But it's a very nice formula lip crayon. So if you're looking for a lip crayon, this is the best one to try. Don't go for anything else. Okay, the last one is the Simple Micellar Water. I have already spoken about this in so many of my other videos. If you have like very sensitive skin and the other micellar water not suiting your skin well, if you use less makeup, you do a full face of makeup, then try this one. This is really nice micellar water. It's on a good discount. You can give that a try. So that is it in my product recommendations that I have. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do check out my other videos. I have a lot of videos on makeup and skincare. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.